How to find interest settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find interest settings uh, on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. After that click these 3 points in the top corner and then click edit profile, and once you're here just click interests. Here is it, click on it and then recommend your interests easy and quick, and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.